Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to make a beautiful balloon flower from using plastic techniques. For clarity, I use a transparent balloon. I'm putting a 260 size sculpting balloon inside a 12-inch balloon. I inflate a 12-inch balloon to half its volume, then inflate the sculpting balloons with 3 pumps. I pull out the ends of the balloon for modeling, tie it into a knot, cutting off the excess part and forming a petal. I tie a balloon with a diameter of 12 inches and cut off the tail. You need to make 5 such petals. At the points of contact, I glue the petals to each other using glue dots. Now I pre-stretch the green modeling balloon and inflate it with 3 pumps. Next, I alternately make 5 loops the size of 4 fingers and 5 bubbles the size of 1 finger. After that, I tie the ends of the balloon, cutting off the excess part. Look, it turned out to be a beautiful flower. I put this flower on top of the petals and then inflate from a 5-inch balloon color, gold chrome, small balloon. I pre-stretch a green balloon for modeling size to 160 and make 3 loops of 5 fingers each. Now I'm putting all the details together. A beautiful balloon flower is ready. I am pleased to share my experience and ideas with you. Thank you for watching us.